Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing, a lodging house. Gitawag ni siya lodging house or pension house, guys. 6 rooms, 6 bedrooms. Income generating, walking distance to the beach, and very close from the 5-star hotel in Panglao Island. So this is the property. The size is 344 square meters, 1 story only, for a package price of 13 million pesos. Russ Sell and Knit. So it's a native style. Then there's still vacant portion for more developments. Like this one is the future. Their plan is that would be a swimming pool. Kamuntaton nilang swimming pool, guys. Pero then this one also still vacant. So bakante pod ni. You can build more unta. And this is the back portion of the property. Manang likod, guys. So mao gyud ni ang ilang gamunta nga swimming pool na iyang gitudlo. So walking distance to the white sand beach. So this is the road, and this is the road going to the beach. So mana siya, guys, ni nang giblo. Mga pulis man dahil ni. Kini nga road, guys, according to the caretaker, it is really an open road. So this is the Bellevue na gini siya. It's already a Bellevue or 5-star hotel. So this is the there is a 10 to 6 10 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is a curfew hour, entering and out of this kuan. Di nakakasud basta mabot nag alas 10 gabi. So mana siya, guys. So niagi mi diri sa kining kilid sa hotel, 5-star hotel. Agianan yun eh. So nindot kayo, no? So libre na kang makagawas paingon sa White Sand Beach. So nakanindot unta adto nga kuan, guys, katong atong lodging house ng Ibaligya. Nindot og among 2 to 3 story kay kusog kayo ang ilang kuan. Guest pulibok kanunay according to the caretaker. By the way, reason for selling, ang tag-iya mapauli na sa Mindanao. So taga Mindanao man sila. Pauli na sila. So manay nahitabo since 2008 pa sila dire. Nakadesisyon na pauli. So mana. Then the owner also pod is not around, living outside of the country, decided to sell because di sila makasiguro kung ang mubantay parehabag style. They feel that they are not already comfortable if somebody will kuan also they become an employee or a caretaker. So this portion, guys, pwede na ta maka in and out in this white sand beach from the lodging house. So meaning atong mga guest dito, guys, pwede ra pod makaagi diri o makasulod diri. Then Kining sa 5-star Bellevue, kanang ay lang pod mo kasudan ng may ilang boya kay ilaha man na. Murag ilahang gi para po na sa ilang mga guest. So adto sa gawas sa ilang kanang mga puti-puti bitaw. Gitawag mo nagbuya. So adto ta maligo sa gawas ana. So mao niyo. Hapon naman gud ni adto, so medyo ngiti-kiti gamay. Pero nindot yung guy ni mo niyang first class hotel in kuan pod Panglao Island, one of the first class 5-star hotel. So mo na siya guys. So mo na ni ang atong property no, kanang nay blue color. Ya duol na ni kayo sa highway. Kung imo ning ma 2-story guys, pertin hindota gyud ana. More guest gyud nang may tabo nimo. So this is really a good investment. Mato, balik ko na to. The price is 13 million pesos. Russell. Thank you.